Hi guys, welcome back on another video on the YouTube channel of Vincenzo. In this third video I will show you how to make an amazing medieval grey for the stone of your project and for our well. I am Friday, the assistant of Vincenzo. Let me know in the comment what do you think about the work on YouTube of Vincenzo. He's a young craftsman of Napoli and he loves modelism and cribs. For first we have to talk about the different color when we paint something. Not all the zone are the same and there are not two stone are the same. How to create this effect directly on the well? Easy. We need to apply the different color on the project with a humid base. For first we apply the tinta nose on a little piece of the well. After we apply black paint, blue paint and at the end to obtain the gray we add the white until the color don't like us. To create a very nice effect inside the well, to create the effect of the humid stone close to the water, you can use the giallo ochre mixed with a little bit of tinta nose. In this way you will obtain a nice grain, really unique. To create a realistic FSE on the ground and in the middle of the stone, Vincenzo used spray glue and after the pigmento di terra di siena naturale. In this way we can create an effect of the stone that will add more difference at your project. If you like the video, subscribe to the channel and leave a like. Visit the channel to see more contents about the Arte Presepiale in Napoli. See you at the next video.